Imagine starting with nothing. No views, no subscribers, and in just 7 days, hitting 1,000 subscribers. Sounds impossible, right? Well, I did it, and today I'm sharing exactly how you can too. But before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and like this video because I'm about to share something most YouTubers won't tell you. I know what you're thinking, another YouTuber with some gimmick strategy. But trust me, this is different. I didn't buy subscribers. I didn't beg my friends and family to subscribe. I cracked a method that works, and it's something anyone can do, even if you've never uploaded a video before. If you've ever struggled to grow your channel or felt like giving up, comment below about your experience because I've been there too. The first thing I did was focus on one viral-worthy idea. I studied what was trending in my niche and created content that added a unique twist. For me, it wasn't about copying others. It was about standing out. If you're not targeting the right audience, your videos won't take off. Trust me, understanding this step alone can be the difference between staying stuck and skyrocketing your channel. But that's just the start. I combined this with one game-changing strategy. Stick around because this is what really took me from 0 to 1,000 subscribers in a week. Oh, and if you haven't subscribed yet, now's the perfect time, because I'm about to drop the real secret. It's all about engagement. I made sure to reply to every comment, ask questions in my videos to keep viewers hooked, and told them exactly why they should subscribe. People subscribe because they see value, connection, and consistency. I didn't just post a video and hope for the best. I created a conversation. If you're ready to grow your channel, start with these strategies and watch your numbers climb. And don't forget to comment below. What's your biggest challenge when it comes to growing your channel? Let's build this community together. Hit subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't miss the next video where I'll share how to turn those 1,000 subscribers into 10,000.